Good day everyone. What is the secret of a successful man or woman? First is hard work, then love. The most important thing is confidence. How to be confident? Easy. Make yourself beauty in and out. This is DJ Shana. We are gonna discuss fashion in I'm For You segment. Don't miss it out. Only in Uniutama FM. Inspirations begins here.
Hi, hello and good day Malaysia and welcome to my segment. You are currently watching segment hashtag I'm For You with me DJ Shana on Uniutama FM. Inspirations begins here. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to share some info about an online boutique with you guys. I'm also pretty sure that all the viewers also excited to know about the online boutique. We all wear good dress to be confident and also pretty. Many women don't want to walk around showing imperfection on their dressing style. So the online boutique that I'm going to talk about is YS Boutique. I know many of you guys are wondering what are so special about this boutique. There are a lot of online boutique in the market. What is so special about YS Boutique? Well, guys, you will never understand until you try. So let's know more about this online boutique. YS Boutique was founded in 2019 by an independent woman, Shalini Velu. She started the business after she gets married. Her husband supported her more in this business. She started the business in purpose to help her husband. At the first stage, she developed her business by selling saris. It received great feedback from customers. After her success, she started to sell all kind of Indian wears such as Punjabi, Lenga, dhoti, kurtis and more. How amazing that a young lady can survive among many successful boutiques out there. We start with their quality of dress. The quality is amazing. The saris can be differentiated by the quality of the sari such as silk sari, cotton sari, synthetic sari, george sari, chiffon sari and more. The saris that I mentioned just now is woman's favorite. The quality of sari is different. The price is based on the quality. You can get silk sari at RM85 at YS Boutique. It is really very cheap. Before we continue more, let us listen to a short advertisement from our sponsor YS Boutique and co-sponsor of Zest Cosmetic.
The weather is too hot. Let's have some cold drink.
Hey girl, don't take the straw.
Why are you saying so?
Plastic straws are no doubt convenient, but they are notoriously difficult to recycle, just like any other plastic material. Plastic straws are therefore one of the most used plastic and resultantly among the worst pollutant in the world.
I am so sorry. Starting from today, I will use metal straws or paper straws.
Well done, girl. Say no to straw, save the environment. Good day everyone. What is the secret of a successful man or woman? First is hard work, then love. The most important thing is confidence. How to be confident? Easy. Make yourself beauty in and out. This is DJ Shana. We are gonna discuss fashion in I'm For You segment. Don't miss it out. Only in Uniutama FM. Inspirations begins here.
First, welcome back to Uniutama FM. Inspirations begins here. I would like to give a million thanks to our sponsor YS Boutique and our co-sponsor of Zest Cosmetic. Let's continue with our segment. The dress that sell in YS Boutique is new and trendy. Even though she sells traditional dress, she follows the trend by selling new styles. I will attach a new classy dresses from YS Boutique. These are some of their collection. By see the dress also, we can know about the detail in the dresses. YS Boutique become popular because of the color of the dress? I tell this because I have purchased some from their collection. The color of the dress is absolutely the same color we saw in the picture. The color was picture cute. We can choose the dress color that suits us well because her collection have many color shades. The service of YS Boutique is amazing. We can get the dress we order from 3 to 5 days of working. If the dress is from India, then we have to wait for 7 to 14 days. The parcel is in good condition. If there is any problem in dress, you can exchange with new dress. There are also some promotion on festival times, so we can get discount and also free gift from YS Boutique. These are the some collection that I bought from YS Boutique. If you guys want to know more about this boutique, you can contact and join their WhatsApp group for more updates and promotion. If you guys want to purchase dresses from YS Boutique, feel free to contact Miss Shalini. The contact number will be given in the end of the show. That's all from me. Thank you for watching Unutama FM. Inspirations begins here. Till we meet again in another segment of #I'm for you. This is DJ Shana. Have a good weekend ahead. Bye.